To understand the Quran, we need to comprehend the language. And to comprehend the language, we need to grasp its roots. Roughly 300 words in the Quran are derived from the root Akhadha, Akhtun. For example, Akhadha min al-Ibl refers to a camel that has begun to show signs of fattening. And Akhadha al-Fazil, the young camel, means it drank more milk than needed, causing indigestion. Likewise, Akhadha al-Ramad means the eye was afflicted with conjunctivitis. Akhadha or Akhadha can also refer to a depression dug in the ground like a basin that retains water. The core meaning of this root revolves around possessing or enclosing something internally, either physically or metaphorically, involving strength or intensity. This includes the early signs of fat in a camel, excess milk in a calf, or inflammation overtaking the eye, as well as water pooled in a basin. From this comes the usage of Akhadha in contrast with giving, meaning, to take hold of something with force or control, as in the verse. And he seized his brother's head, drawing him to himself. Wa ahadha birasiyahihi yajuruhu ilahi also, Akhadahu bidanbi or Akhadahu means he punished him. Its origin implies seizing or overpowering someone, thus leading to punishment, as in, Our Lord, do not take us to task if we forget or err. Rabbana la tu'ahidna inna nasiyana aw akhtana. Another sense involving internal containment appears in the verse. And your Lord inspired the bee, take for yourself among the mountains, houses. Waharabbuka ila anal aniyai tahidhi mina aljibali biyuta'i, find suitable crevices to make your homes,